Welcome to Jar Masala. Today we're going to be showing you how to make steak using our Kabab masala.
So I have some thinly sliced steak here, and I'm going to start with our Kabab masala, and you add the spice to your taste. I'm going to add some salt. And this is optional, but if you have some garlic and ginger paste, you can add that.
If you want to know how to make the garlic and ginger paste, there's a video on our channel.
And then I'm going to add some crushed red chili flakes, and this is also optional. If you want it to be spicy, you can add this. If not, then not needed. And I'm going to add some canola oil, and you can add any type of oil. I'm just going to mix everything together and let it marinate for at least 2 hours. And you can also marinate this overnight. And we're going to actually cook this in the stove. And the Kabab flavor just adds tons of flavor to your meat. So we have our marinated steak with our Kabab masala. And I'm going to add some butter here. I'm going to add our steak. Turn the stove to medium heat, and we add some garlic. I'm going to add more butter. Cook the one side for 4 minutes, and I'm just going to cook for another 4 minutes or so, and our steak will be ready.
So our steak is done, and please subscribe to Jar Masala for more recipes using our masalas. You can find us at Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter at Jar Masala.